Yeah. So I'm sharing my screen. Just let me know my screen is visible or not. Visible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Just give me a second. I need to have that file also. Okay, I'll share these geometries with you. Whatever that models we are
Okay.
going to make, and after that we are going to perform the operations now. Okay, so that your modeling part is also clear. So
Okay, sir.
today we are going to work on this model, and after that we are going to do that 3D operation today. Okay.
Okay.
In 3D operation we are going to do that area roughing operation. So there is basically a difference between a 2D operation and 3D operations. Today you will get it know also. After doing that 3D operation, we can perform 2D operation also. Okay. So that area roughing is available in 2D also and 3D also.
Okay.
So this is my geometry over here. So first of all, you can see this is the geometry. So this is the cross section of that geometry. Here you can see 160 mm, that is the dia of that first circle. Okay, that complete dia. So we are
Yes.
going to create this first circle, and after that we are going to create this polygon. Okay, polygon is basically 6 side, and it's having corner radius of 15 mm. Okay, 6 radius
Yes.
is of 15 mm. Okay, so first of all I will create this, and after that we will move to that another content. So right now okay, so we will move to that wireframe. So first of all I am going to take that circle, and you can just click here and create any circle, and after that you can define the diameter. Okay, you can check out whether it is written that radius or diameter. Okay, so it's a dia of 180 mm or 160. So you can just click on that 160 and enter. That circle is created now. Okay, and just click OK. You can zoom in, zoom out for that clarifying. After that we have a polygon. If you will go in that rectangle, no, there is a polygon. You need to click
Yes.
here, and after that automatically that sides are 6. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to create a polygon over here. Okay, see right now, no, I was already working on it. So here if I'm going to do is 0, no, and here that sides are going to be 16. So the radius is going to be that d-similar. Okay, just give me a second. If we are going to create that, see this basically we have created right now. If we are going to do Control Z also, it is going to go. Now again I'll take that polygon, okay. Now you need to check out that corner fillet. Now basically in this polygon, no, that corner fillet is also given inside it. Automatically it is going to take all corners, whatever that radius you want to give. Okay, if separately you want to give, you need to choose the fillet, this one fillet. So right now we have 6 side, and I'll just create a simple polygon over here, and after that we are going to write we need 15 mm fillet in all the corners, and after that you can just click on OK. Can you see now?
Yes.
Okay, that fillet is created. Now what we need to do, that second part, so we need to create this shape. So basically what we need to do is first here, if you are able to see, there is a line basically that center of this radius, no, 12 mm,
Yes.
that is basically above from that center, that is 5.5 mm. Okay, and that height from polygon, no, that is 15 mm. So what we can do is, first of all what we need to do is we are going to pick this endpoint. Okay, pick this endpoint line endpoints. You need to have that 2 endpoints over here. After that, nothing what we are going to do, we are just going to click on the center and create a line. Okay, simple line we are going to create. After that, here the length is given on the left side, so length is 15 mm. just write 15 mm the length. And now see, one thing is over here, you need to see that this one, no, this option, okay, and create
Yes.
new operation. This is not going to end the line. If we are going to click here, we are not going to end the line. Right now I need another line over here from here to here, okay. And you can see here the distance of that line was 5.5. That was my reference for your next radius, that was 12 mm, or you can say the center point for that circle, okay. So I'm going to write 5.5. I'm going to show you in that geometry also. Right now I've showed you. So just click here, and after that, after finishing that operation, then you need to click on that second, okay. Then you are going to finish that line, okay. Now you can see we have created that reference of 5.5. So if you are able to see here, I'm going to just do it, zoom it so that it is available. Can you see now?
Yes.
This is 15 mm was that height, and this is the center point. That distance was 5.5, okay. That I have done. With that reference I am going to create that circle. So now I'll pick a circle, take it as center, click it, and that radius is 12 mm, okay. The radius is 12 mm. I'll just write here the 12 mm radius and enter, okay, and just click OK. So I got that reference. Now we have these two lines, okay. It's a cam shape basically. If you see here, there are two lines and their angle is given. One is 18 degree and one is 30 degree, okay.
Yes.
So we need to understand that quadrant, that ED part, no? Quadrant basically, if I see here, these are going to lie in fourth quadrant, okay, that is 270. This is going to be 270 minus 18, and this is going to be 270 plus 30, okay. So how we are going to create that? See, first of all, we are going to take the line, okay. See, in line now, you need to check when you are working, that tangent need to be checked, okay. Automatically that line is going to be picked from that tangent. When you are going to click here, and after that what I need to do, just click, it will automatically catch the tangent and just end anywhere, okay. Now below that you can see length and angle. Length and angle both are given, so you can define the length as well as angle also. So here first thing is going to be my angle, so it is going to be 270 minus 18, okay, and just enter. Can you see? Exactly, it has taken that angle, and it should be that tangent should be checked, so that that line is going to be on the tangent of that circle. Now you can just click here once, and you can start with that another line also, but I'll just check out from here, okay, and I'll go for that another one. Now the tangent is on this side, just click and just create a line over here. Now again the same thing is there. What we need to do, we need to give 270 plus 30. These are that angle they have given to us, huh? So this is done. Now you can click OK. Now let us move to that geometry. You can see here, this was 30 degree and this was 18 degree. Now what we need to do is, we need to have another circle that is of radius 85 mm, okay, this one, which is going to touch the tangent. So what we are going to do is, we are going to take another circle, and from this reference center we are going to create 80 mm circle. So you need to write the radius is 85. Just write 85 and just click OK. This circle is going to be for our reference, okay. This circle is going to be for reference. What we need to do here is, right now I want to extend this line up to this circle, okay. So I'm just going to check this, it's a bigger one or a smaller one. I think so it is a bigger one. Its size is
diameter, I think.
mistake I did. Just I'm going to delete it. You can right click and you can even select and delete the components, okay. Delete the identity. Now again I'm going to take that circle, just click here. That radius was like 85, so it was correct, I think so. It's not a problem. You can see, है ना? This is that radius, that is 85. So we need to write in that radius 85. Just enter. Yeah, it is right. No problem. Okay. Now this is only that reference one. Sorry. तो कोई problem इसमें there is not going to be any problem. What we need to do is now you need to select this, and we want to make it like a reference line. So right click. You will get this option of center line over here. Okay. You can create a center line as a reference over here. After that we want to extend these lines. So how we are going to do that up to this circle? So there is an option over here, modify length. Click on that modify length. Now just give how much you want to modify. I'll take like 40 mm. Okay, whatever that size you want to click, and click on that line only. Can you see now? So I think so that there is some mistake I have done, because its identity need to be near to that, but it's okay. I'll just increase that size 60 mm, no problem. Just click again. You can extend as much time you want. Okay,
Okay.
and just click OK. Now we want to remove from that endpoints, so there is a divide option over here. Click and just click here, and up to that circle I am going to end it, and click here. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to create an arc between this. Okay, and that arc basically is going to be our tangent arc. Okay, so what we need to do is just click on that arc tangent, go in that 3-point arc. You will go, no, this is going to be arc 1 identity. You need to reach to that third one. Okay, arc 3 identities. So what we are going to do, we are going to just select this and this. So that selection was quite wrong, so you can just Control Z it. Need to select your first arc, second arc and third arc. Oh sorry, that arc was missed. And this is create arc 3-point. Now just click on this and this. Okay, that size I think so has changed by mistake. No worries. 3 identities, 1, 2 and 3. Can you see now?
Yes.
But see, obviously I told you that circle need to be inside.
Yes.
So it is creating a problem. That size is basically wrong, I think so.
Polygon size is correct, sir, as per the geometry.
I'll check that.
Hexagon. I think it is hexagon. Hexagon size is correct.
Hexagon basically, I think so. The size confusion is there a little bit. We will omit this.
If you see that geometry, there is a near to that maximum diameter circle. But hexagon.
Okay, that was 130.
They given size.
Yeah, that size we didn't give, no. That was in problem actually. 130. That was that radius basically. So that was a mistake actually. We need to omit this. That's why I was seeing that it is moving outside. Control Z. Okay, no problem. Actually, the radius need to be defined over there now. If I am going to go back and select no, it is going to create some problem. And delete. So that polygon is going to be from that center. Again, I am going to choose that polygon. Okay. Just click over here, the center. taking this. Now that is your radius, okay? That is 130 by 2 divided by 2. Just click on enter. 90 is absolutely fine, Anna. Now it is okay. Now let's check how basically it is going to be in that arc. 3 identities. Now it is fine, huh?
Yes.
Okay, now divide this extra lines from here. This one. See, right now the dotted lines, no? These are only going to be omitted. Now when you are going to omit this, you can see it is checking out that complete one. Just click here and after that this one. Now it is not touching that surface, it means. Now it is fine. Okay, so we need to edit this one also, and that line also we need to edit. So escape करके ना ये line, we don't need this line now, so you can just delete that line. Right click and delete that line. Okay, so I'll keep this reference line with us, huh?
Okay.
In future it is going to help us. So maximum I think so all the things have been covered in this geometry. Now we need to convert it to 3D model. So in 3D model, what is going to be that? Height is 20 mm. Okay. Height is 20 mm, and this bigger dia circle inside, that thickness is going to be 5, and that lower one is going to be 10. So just what we need to do now, we need to go in that solid model, cylinder. Okay. So you need to, okay, again I'm going to do, it's not taking that curve. Just click again on this. Need to click on that extrude. So that chain is right now, okay. So what we need to do, right now we have a wireframe, no? We need to select from where we need to create that 3D model. So I'll choose this, and after that just click OK. Automatically you will see here at height it has taken. So it is at lower direction, so we need 20 mm. Just click 20 mm. And if you want to change the direction, no? There is basically your reverse all option. You can bring it over here. Okay, you need to bring it lower side so that your other geometries are visible. So after that, what we are going to do, I am not going to close this extrude command. What I am going to do is I am going to continue with that command. Okay, just click on this. Again, you have to select a change. Just that second chain I am going to select. Do it okay. Now we will go for that cut option, and that height is going to be like 5 mm, and just enter. And again just click here and continue with the chain. So this is going to be my lower one. Okay, this is going to be my lower one, and just click OK. Now my height is 10 mm, depth is 10 mm, and just do it. Okay, now that work is finished. Now you can click on this. Our model is ready. Is it okay?
Okay.
So now what we want to do is, we don't want these sketches to be visible. Okay, we are going to do that 3D machining, so these sketches are not required. So what we can do is, we can either manually select these all, or there is an option over here, that is your, if you are going to see all mesh identities are there, and below that they have changed a little bit in 2025. Yeah, this one. Select only wireframe identities. Okay, just click on that. All the wireframe identities are selected. Now what we need to do is, we need to go in home, and there is a blank option in home. It is for hide. Click here. It is going to hide, and just click on once more in that selected. Okay, all the sketches have been selected now. Just click and selection. Now you see that sketches are not available. Okay, if you want to see them back, you just need to go here and unblank. Okay.
Okay, sir.
The model is ready. Now we need to go for that machining. So we will go in that machining part. What we need to do is we will choose the mill operation default. After that we are going to perform 3D first. So go here in 3D. That is your area roughing. Okay. We need to choose area roughing. Just click on that. So it's going to be a little bit different from the 2D operations. So here it is directly going to ask you what you want to machine. What is going to be your wall stock and what is going to be your floor. Floor pay we are going to keep 0. On wall we are going to left 1 mm. Okay, that is basically the raw material for finish operation. So now we need to select the machining component also. Below here you are going to see there is an arrow mark. Select the identity. It is asking about the product you want to manufacture. Okay, so the component we have to select. So just click on this. After that you need to do Control A. We have to do machining on that complete component. Okay, and after that end selection. So now you see that machining component has selected. After that we need to go for the tool path control. It is going to be important. See, tool path control is going to be up to where your tool is going to travel. It should not move outside that. So here you can see the boundary chain. Here on this contentment boundaries, no, you need to click here, and after that just select the your face and your loop is there. Okay, so either you can select the face or you can even select the edges. Okay, that is your arc. So this one, I'll select this arc. It means that tool should not move outside this. Okay, it is asking for that. So just do it. Okay. Okay, I have selected the boundary chain within which the tool is going to move. After that we have to go for that tool selection. Okay, so here we need to select the flattened mill of 10 mm. Okay, so even just like I know the reference tool number, that is 218, so you can go with that also. Just like I am going to click here. Okay, so like in this it is not available, so you can go in that tools, you can go in that filter options also. Okay, so here that filter, when you are going to remove,
Sir,
yeah,
one more thing. I just need to note the sequence of operation. So can you go from the starting in that?
okay, you are not
I did not note that anything.
okay, so should
You're
I
going too fast.
okay, so should I start it again, matlab that operation
Yes.
only, na?
Ah,
Okay, I'm closing this, huh?
okay.
I'm ending the operation. I'm saying no, nothing is there now. Okay,
Okay.
again I'll go for that one. Only that milling machine is chosen.
Tool path and milling.
Yeah, see, only what I have done is the milling operation is used, milling machine is used. Okay,
Okay.
operation I have not chosen. Operation I'll do now. Okay, so that is
Okay.
going to be under 3D. Today we are going to perform a 3D operation. In
Okay.
3D we are going to perform area roughing. Click on that area roughing, and after that, see, first thing is going to be model geometry. Okay, you need to tell to the machine what is going to be the product you want to manufacture. So first of all, there is a wall stock. Just double click here. So I want a wall stock like one raw material, that is going to be a stock material, that is that extra material we need. Okay, and here what we want, like 0 floor need to be absolutely fine. We are going to left 1 mm material on the walls. Okay, for the finish operation. Now we need to select which product you want to manufacture. Okay, so just click on this. You need to tell that yeah, I'm going to manufacture this product. So you can select the complete component by choosing Control A. After that you have to click on end selection. So you have told it to that machine that this is that product we have to manufacture. Okay, workpiece. After that we have tool path control. Okay, what we need to do in that tool path control? Tool path control is like where the tool is going to travel. It should not move outside that chain. Okay, so you can see here that is your boundary chain, and here you can see there is an contentment boundary. So you need to select those boundaries from where that tool is not going to move outside. Just click here, and after that he is going to ask you about the chain. So you can either click on the loop, that is going to be that arc. So I'll just select this. So this arc, no, outside this the tool is not going to move. Okay, so just click OK. Now we need to go on the tool. Okay, so tool selection, we need a flat mill. Okay, we need a flat end mill for doing this operation, and I have a reference that is 218, that is the tool number. What I am going to do is just go for that filter. All the basically things are selected, you click it or no, and that basically is going to be of 10 mm. Okay, so you can click and just click it over here, and after that you can go in that filter. You can see that is your flat end mill 10 mm. Okay, that we need. So just write OK. You can choose according to you whatever that diameter you want. Okay, so there is a lot of space over here. I'll take the 10 mm. So we will check out the another thing, that is your feed rate and spindle speed. So I'm taking it like 4500, and this is going to be feed rate 1200. Okay, and whenever you are going to click here, no, so your feed per tooth and everything is going to change automatically. So nothing we need to do now. Basically we need to go to the cutting parameter. Cutting parameters, basically you need to see the step down. Step down is what? That is your 1 mm it's going to cut every time. So we have to cut our material up to 10 mm. Okay, that basically, you know, no, the maximum height was 10 mm. So it is going to cut 10 times. Okay, so 1 mm each cut is going to be there. That is basically your depth of cut. Okay, and this is your step over. This is going to be like according to that diameter of the tool. So it is 45% we are going to keep. Okay, that you can see, this is that maximum and minimum they have taken. So you have to not change here. Already I have put in that values. In case of your software, when you are going to put there, you need to put 1 mm and 45%. Okay, and now comes this toroidal motion. Toroidal motion, no, we need to keep it off. Now you need to understand what is your toroidal motion. Toroidal motion is basically when you need a harder tool. Okay, you need a harder tool. So this one, no, minimize boreal. Basically it is going to be increasing the strength, or that hardened tools are going to be the part. Okay, so right now I don't need that hardened tool, so I am going to keep it off. Okay, so after that you have to linking parameters, you have to click. So I have already explained these all part, that what is that clearance plane. So it is going to be that tool height where the tool is going to be away from that job. So here I'll not change anything from this. I'll just click on OK. But there is going to be a problem because I have not given the stock. I have not given that raw material yet. So when you are going to click OK, it will take that, but it will only show you 2D operation. Okay, I want to see 3D. Okay. So what I need to do is, we need to give the raw material. So just go in that properties, we always do that. In 2D also we did it. So just click on that stock setup. Now we have a circular component. Okay, so click on that cylinder. Click on that cylinder and Control A. Okay, and just click on enter. Okay, so now we have -20, that is that height, and 80 mm is going to be that radius of the circle. We have given 160 mm, isn't it? So if you want to increase the raw material, you can increase. Okay, if you want to increase like height, you want to increase more material. If you want to increase the radius, you can increase that. Raw material is going to increase only. So stock only we need to give. Just click it. Okay, now we have given the stock also. Now let us check the operation. Just click on this, and after that again we are going to perform that 3D operation. Now let's check it how it is going to work. Can you see it?
Yes.
Okay, on the walls 1 mm material it has left. Okay, so this is directly, see, it has performed all the slots. So that is a 3D way of working. अभी इसके बाद basically directly you can click on that NC program, okay, or I can click over here after running that program. No, you can click on this NC, but right now it is not there. Otherwise, what is going to happen after that, I'll tell you. It will show you the that you want an working on which machine. So 3 axis milling machine we are going to do, and after that what we are going to do, it will give you that option of what is your operating system, that is your Fanuc, Siemens, or what type of operating system of your machine is. Okay, what type of G codes and AM code it's going to accept. So you need to select that, and you need to just generate, okay, save as, and in Word file it is going to save that complete program. Okay, is it clear
One
up to
more
here?
thing, in starting itself you have given the stock setup.
Yeah.
Why need to give the final itself you need to start setup?
No, in the beginning also you can give. By mistake I forgot that. So you can give in, if you have forgotten, you can give it after you have performed the operation also. Because see, I have not told to that machine that this is your raw material, no? Stock is
But you
basic.
have,
Stock is basically what, it's a raw material. So I am not told. I was forget that we performed the operation, but we didn't tell the machine that what you have to cut. Casting. That was a circular casting of 20 height. That was not given to the tool. You can see here. I'll just click again over here. If you are seeing this, this is basically your raw material. Okay, that is your type of casting you need to perform. Is it clear? Stock, stock you can understand, no? Stock, what is stock?
for a machine allowance.
See, stock is that material. I created that blocks also, no? F1 height, you will give in raw material. We have performed that operation, but that operations like these slots, no? 2 slots we have created. Machine has to perform. So what we are going to say, we have a circular component only, and then only that component is going to, that machine is going to perform that operation. You got that point or not?
Uh, not
Confusion.
fully understanding, sir.
You,
Not here.
uh,
The 3D modeling not fully not able to understand fully.
okay.